like unrestricted P or whatever that nigga, he's a hater. Right?
How you gonna forget P from Unstricken?
Whatever
He a
that nigga is.
weirdo.
Well,
That's
I
why.
don't think Chuck's a hater. Like, I don't put him in that category. But in M&S,
Oh,
I think
oh.
he's just a, he's that little fucking fly that just, you like, where the fuck did you come from? Why can't I get you out of my house?
Whack, we
Right?
forgot one.
Who?
Tay Bando. That nigga's a fucking clout
Oh,
chaser.
yeah.
Fucking
But I
Oh
Tay
don't even think
Lord.
Bando.
people don't even know who
Yeah.
he is like that.
All right, well,
But
I
you
just
know
gave
what's
him a little
crazy
bit of
though?
light.
There are no women named in the category as clout chaser.
Mika,
Cause
sorry.
Hold
y'all
on,
about
wait.
to
It
Always.
say
said,
it's one.
oh, wait,
He
wait, wait,
just
wait, wait,
said
wait,
it.
wait. I said earlier. Hold
Hey,
on,
He
Right.
just
Bando.
mentioned
hold on.
Mika is on that list, bro.
Let's be clear real quick. Hold on. Let's be clear. Earlier I stated
God
that
damn, nigga, who out there racing?
yeah, who the fuck got a lawnmower? Earlier I
My
stated that
bad.
I
My
was a
bad.
cloud chaser and I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that.
Who,
Somebody,
honey?
you not a no, honey. You're not a cloud
Myself, I
chaser.
said I'm a cloud chaser. I'm okay with that.
Somebody in the
You
chat
ain't no
said
clout
somebody
chaser.
named Mika. Somebody named
Oh
Mika.
shit.
Mika
That's
is
what
the
somebody
biggest
just
clout
said.
chaser.
Let me
Yeah,
up,
Mika
let me up.
Mills.
Hold
There
on,
you
hold
go.
on.
There you go. Oh,
Hold
shit,
on, we gotta
y'all.
get
There
her
you
in here.
go.
Yo, ping
Get
Mika.
him.
By
I'm finna
far.
get her in here right now. Yo.
Yeah, whoever said that in the chat, keep the same energy.
Yeah.
Ping her in here. Somebody also said
Shit.
Ming Ming. Somebody also said Grant Cardone. I'm crying. Yeah, people keep saying
Not
Mika. Mad
Grant.
people are saying Mika.
So y'all don't think Grant
Oh,
so y'all
Shit.
don't
shit,
think Grant
y'all.
Cardone
There you go.
There you
y'all don't think
go.
that Grant Cardone is a cloud chaser?
What you
Grant
said,
Cardone a
honey?
weirdo.
I don't know.
I
I be
said
on
y'all
my
don't
little
think that
cloudy,
Grant
cloudy shit. I ain't gonna hold y'all neither. I clout chased just yesterday. Thank you, Wack.
Oh, you
There it
you
is.
I love Charlie's voice, though.
Oh yeah, they said
I'm cloud chasing off
iced
Freddie
out
right.
too.
I'm cloud
Iced
chasing off
out.
Freddie's title and it's spinning off his room right now. I spent off Freddie's
Yeah,
title in club,
Iced Out
bro.
is a clout chaser, too. Iced Out, definitely.
Yeah,
He put
iced
up
out.
false titles and all that
Yeah,
shit.
he's a
Yeah,
Gonna
bozo,
be
Yeah,
some
but
too.
out
I
of
don't
town.
even think we give a
Host
fuck
it, run
about
his
what he
room
put in
like
the
a
title.
troll.
His voice ain't even strong. Mika gonna finna come in this room. So.
Let's not forget cloud chasing as denied.
What about
Oh
Smoke
yeah,
Day?
that's a crazy nigga right there.
Yeah,
The
but
night to
Freddie
talk shit
made
to
the clout
me and then go to my DM and be like, "Whack, I really didn't mean it. I was like, this nigga's crazy. Like, I don't even know you, but all right, cool. You know what I mean? Is that him and Ion? They must don't get
Yeah.
along. Cause anytime I go to Ion
Did he
room,
say denied? I'm crying.
Yeah,
denied
he
Yeah.
or
was
whatever the
mentioned
fuck that nigga
earlier.
name is.
donuts.
I thought that's
Whenever
what
I
it
go to
was too.
Ion room, he
Host
starts in
here.
on me. So they must don't get along.
Wait, did
Oh
somebody
yeah, he
say
don't get
Ghost or
along with
y'all said
Ian.
Chuck?
No, Chuck up there, but I mean, I don't think he hate on me, but Chuck be running them names in them rooms. We got Chuck up there.
Up there with what?
No, he
Clout
be running
chaser.
them names. He be having them names in his titles. He
What
have
He
them.
name?
give you praise and interview your op.
Like what y'all
Oh,
mean?
let's not forget cloud chasing as Lil Piff.
I don't know who that is. I don't know who that
Freddie,
is.
let's not forget
Man,
cloud
he only
chasing Lil
got two
Piff,
people in the
Freddie.
room, bro. He's not a
Who
clout
the
chaser.
fuck is
He only
that?
I
got
Cause
don't
two
Freddie
know who
put
people.
my
that is.
no because Piff put my name in the title for a whole motherfucking week.
Two people?
You
Yeah,
He,
he
said
clout
Little Pimp?
he made
Pimp?
30 rooms about me in one day, yo. What type of nigga?
Lil Piff is a
Who
big
the
cloud chaser, bro.
who the fuck is Little Pip? I never
I
even
don't know
heard
who
that.
that
Nobody
is.
you need to know, sir.
chaser.
That nigga is
Fred,
an epiphany. That's what the fuck.
Freddie
I got a
burst
question for
Weird.
Wack.
when
He was
I
like,
when
Shout
I
I
out to
burst.
the
know him
people that cloud
personally.
chase. How about the people that cloud chase and the shit just don't work for them?
Piff.
Like they can't figure it
Chasing
out.
go
That
wrong.
Yeah,
nigga
yeah,
Piff.
you're right.
There's a couple of
Hey,
them
Piff
on
is
that
the
I'm
only
saying.
person I know on this app that put niggas' names in his titles and still nobody comes to the room.
I don't know who that nigga is at all.
I think the
Good, you don't
people that
need
be
to.
talking crazy shit in the freaking
Hey
shade
Wack,
room
we forgot
comments in
about Deuce
here are
Mills.
cloud chasers as
Who?
well. Cause y'all
Deuce
really tough in
Mills.
them chats.
Y'all gotta name some more females. This ain't gonna just be biased to the niggas. Who is the business
Somebody
The
owner that
only
be
one
cloud
they
chasing
somebody
niggas
named
on
in
this
was
app?
Mika. I told her to come to the,
Yo
cause
honey.
Mika be having real
Okay,
like
y'all said Mika. Who
topics.
else? Who else? And name some
Somebody
females.
in the
Who
chat
else?
Tim Cuts.
somebody in the chat said Miss
Wait,
PP.
Hello? Who is that?
I
Somebody in the
don't
chat
think
said Miss PP. I don't
I
know.
don't think Miss
I don't think
PP.
that.
She
You know
don't.
what?
I
You know
don't
what I
think so.
think? I don't think
Somebody
that.
in the chat said
Hold on. I
Rania.
don't think that. I don't think that she be cloud
Rania,
chasing just.
there you go. But she ain't got her own room.
Rania.
hold on real quick. Let me speak real quick. I don't think that Kim be like necessarily cloud chasing because I don't see her mod like bigger household names to build her rooms. She literally like build her rooms by herself and she just talk her shit. I think that she is the cloud, to be honest, because motherfuckers always talking about her. They always talking about her. Like they mention her in every fucking room. Oh, here come a Kim rant or this, that, and the third. Like I really don't think that she cloud chasing. I think that
Kim,
people are
my
cloud
baby,
chasing.
honey. I'm gonna say this. She
I
started
think
like
that
that, and she
people. Hold on,
transferred
can
to
I land
exactly
my
what you
thought?
said.
Can I let- can
Oh,
I
I'm
can I
sorry,
land?
baby.
Yeah, I think that people are cloud chasing off her. That's what I think. But yeah, y'all can speak though. Go ahead.
I got
I
a
was saying,
question
I
for Wack
think
and
that
Clout.
I agree with you. I agree with you, but I think the first few months she cloud chased to get that following, and once she built that bitch, she just ran with it. And you exactly right. She ain't doing that shit no more. She don't got well. We just love her now. You know what I'm saying? I agree with you with that, honey.
Hey, yo,
Yeah.
Wack.
Let my boy Moon,
Yo,
what going on, Moon?
I got a
What up,
question
Dime
for you,
Trash
Wack.
baby? What up, everybody? My G
I
Somebody in
got
Hobbs.
the
my
chat.
non.
Somebody in the
Hello.
chat said Miss PP and Ranya.
I don't think Miss PP's she
Is
don't be
that
running people
Lanice?
names. I don't think I wouldn't put Miss PP in that category. We don't even get along, but I ain't gonna. She don't clout chase. She get mad at me or something. She gonna talk shit, and she don't even put my name. She'll just say some shit while I know she talking about. But I don't see Miss PP doing that personally.
I'll give it a Trelly. Trelly up and coming though. I'll give it a Trelly up and coming.
Up and coming
What?
clout
Charlie being
chaser?
a cloud
I,
chaser?
Fucking right, I'm a clout chaser.
Up and
No, the fuck
up
you not.
crazy.
Oh
I'll give
Yes,
it a
shit.
the
six.
fuck I am. Okay.
6 months. You gonna make it? Just 6 months. Watch.
I
She
chase
got.
clout with good
Nah, she got a
conversation.
soundboard. She got everything going. So she's up and coming for sure.
Trelly funny as fuck. I love her.
Any more headshots? Hello, don't get quiet. The chat is going off though. That's
Yeah,
one
the
thing
chat
for
going
certain.
stupid.
Two things for sure.
Hey, to the ladies though, I've got with Reek, and I really want to do like a Clubhouse Beauties calendar. You know what I'm saying? Because there's a lot of you women that you guys are beautiful. You need to be, y'all need to be
You.
saluted for that. So I definitely want to do a Clubhouse Beauties calendar, a
Well, since you called
respectful
me
joint,
ugly yesterday,
not
I
no,
guess I won't be on there.
not no,
Shots fired.
revealing type shit, but just some sensual, sexual, sophisticated shit. I definitely think
That's
we
I
should.
mean,
right.
are you gonna give the classy ladies a try? Because I mean,
Yeah,
these big booty
no,
chicks
that's
are,
what
Yeah.
are
I'm
taking
saying.
over,
Like,
man.
I'm gonna be real. If you got like a suit on with me and heels and shit, that get my attention more than you over here with some everybody looking at you shit type shit. So,
That
you
right.
know that
That right.
that's
Period.
something to the imagination. You know what
I
I'm
got
saying?
October, okay? I got
Cause
October.
I'm
Give
sexy
me
Okay, well
herself.
February.
look,
Dirty
we
still
got
clout chasing.
submissions. There we go. We got
Here we
submissions
go.
going in. We
Queen
on
Sorry for October.
Olivia's
I'm
gonna be
writing it
Clubhouse
March.
down.
Beauty.
Period.
All right, Queen
Just
Sorry
remember
got
that.
October.
I
Okay.
tell
February for
you what, if
MJ.
that's MJ and that
Let's
PTR, that
go.
afro is
That's me,
fire.
baby. That's
That
me.
shit is fire. Fire.
My
Love it.
birthday. Hmm.
I'll give it to Olivia,
Not
but she
y'all
don't.
turned this into the clubhouse beauties of the year.
Don't talk
No,
shit.
we just creating the
That's
calendar. You know
All
what
this
I
talk.
mean?
Hey, Wack, you gotta add Rania to one of those months for the calendar.
stupid ass good.
Y'all crazy. I ain't fucking with you. Yo, I guess did Mika come to the room? But she must not be fucking with
Y'all trying to put her
Who
against
is
the...
Mika? I don't know who Mika is.
Who that is?
Who is
Shit.
Mika?
the
Tasmanian
only
devil.
female they named. Talk about. I don't think she's a cloud
That's because they
chaser.
being biased. They know that these bitches on here be conscious. They just don't want to say no names.
Well, who? I mean, shit. Oh,
I think you got to get females to name that. Dudes probably don't want
yeah,
to
I don't
be
know
messy
what.
like
I
that.
don't
You know what I'm
think Mika's
saying?
a cloud chaser. She
You know
be
what?
having
What
real.
dude said it? What dude said it? And let's see why he nominated
Yeah.
her.
Who was that?
Stevie, I
I know it's
wasn't
a
done,
man on
babe.
stage. I know he not gonna stay muted. Men don't stay muted. Hey, who said Mika was the a
Stevie,
clout
let her
chaser?
link stay up there. She wants to just go. You guys go ahead, Stevie. Just go ahead
Julius.
and share it so they can follow. So Olivia could share her book so people could support her book.
Hey, where Kim at? We need to
Hold
ping
Go
on, real
first,
King
quick.
Olivia.
Kim
Let
here.
Go
Stevie.
first,
Kim will
Olivia.
Hold on,
name
real quick.
all the
Hey,
female
hold on,
clout
hold on,
chasers.
real quick. One mic on honey. Let Stevie promote his club real quick so Olivia could put her book back at the top. Go ahead.
All right, so y'all ready? Y'all ready for something huge? I go by the name of Stevie Nunez. I've been doing radio for many, many years, and I just wanted to let y'all know how solid Whack 100 is. We fucking collaborating. We're doing the new 100 Latinx
Yeah.
Entertainment fucking room. Shout out to all the Latinos in the fucking building right now.
Whip.
We're really, really listen. We haven't even started the club and we already got followers. We haven't even announced it. So shout out to the 100 Latinx Entertainment. That's the newest collab right here. Y'all want to talk about collabing and fucking keeping it real and really, you know, collabing with people. WACK 100 stands by his word. So this is it right here. 100 Latinx Entertainment. Wepa, let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah,
Yeah.
follow
Don't
the
play the
club.
50 though,
Follow the
Latinx.
club real quick.
Morisoñando.
Yeah, follow the club and y'all support.
Morisoñando.
Hold on,
I knew
one
Bumpy was.
mic on honey.
Don't play
Real
the
quick, make
50.
sure y'all follow the club real quick. But we're gonna change the link back to Olivia's book. Olivia has a book on credit repair. Make sure y'all click that link at the top. And support her ebook. She has the ebook. So Olivia, you can put your link back. Follow that club. Support Stevie. You can look for the club in his profile. We want to make sure we supporting Queens this weekend. It's Mother's Day. So let's support the Queens this week. I'm a big supporter of women on this app, and Mother's Day Sunday. So y'all fathers, y'all got y'all day next month. Y'all Father's Day is actually my birthday. It's on Juneteenth. My birthday is Juneteenth. So shout out to the fathers. I gotta share my day with y'all this year, but it's okay. It's gonna be all love. But this week is about the mothers, okay? But anybody can jump in. Go ahead. And jump in. Hold it down. I'm trying to be a mommy at the same time. So anybody want to hold the room down, go ahead. And
I
make
just
sure y'all
wanted to
follow
say,
the
hey,
club.
honey.
Follow
It's
the
Corey.
club. Follow the club. Follow me. Turn
I
my bell
think
to always.
daddies take care of the kids better than the mommies. Just my opinion.
Yeah, I
Oh,
think
that's the
so too.
title
Might be
right
worth
there.
some
Hey,
votes
I
though.
think so too.
Yeah,
I
That's a
agree.
it might be
fact.
worth
That's
some
a
daddy
Oh,
fact.
finna
gang,
start a fight
daddy
already?
That's a
gang,
fact.
daddy
Hey,
gang,
It's in
especially,
man.
yeah,
hey,
2022. The
gang
Wait,
gang
wait,
is
wait,
es-
wait,
gang,
wait.
running
hey,
shit.
especially when it
Wait,
comes to
one
the
mic, one mic.
girls,
yeah.
especially when
Hey,
it
And I
comes to the
think
one
we
mic,
do
one
their
girls,
mic,
hair
one
better
mic.
than y'all too.
especially when
Yeah,
it comes
One
to the
mic.
girls.
Everyone
yeah.
sit for
Fact.
mute your mic.
We
Yeah,
cooking
Everybody
better
mute
than
up.
Appreciate
y'all
the
in
angle of the word.
everything.
Hello, mute up. We will not be slandering Mother's Day weekend. Y'all better do that shit
That
next
ain't
month.
no slander. The truth can never be considered disrespect, honey.
That's
there
I
you
don't know
right.
no
go.
nigga say that. All I know is I take care of my motherfucking kids better than any nigga could.
Daddy gang.
The girls love the daddy
We got this.
more.
I'm trying to start some shit she know and she ain't biting.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.